Imagine plunging into a realm where the sun's light never reaches, a place darker than the darkest night. Did you know that over 95% of the ocean remains unexplored? Who knows what creatures lurk in those hidden depths? The mysteries of the deep sea remained hidden until the late 1800s, when fearless expeditions like the HMS Challenger voyage dared to explore this unknown frontier. Using innovative deep-sea trawling nets, they unveiled a cast of bizarre and incredible creatures from the ocean's depths. Let's meet a few of these strange residents who, to this day, continue to amaze us. Picture at the Atlantic Ocean in 1864. This is where scientists aboard the HMS Challenger first encountered the anglerfish. With its monstrous head and bioluminescent lure hanging from a modified spine, the anglerfish draws prey to its glowing trap. Unwittingly, they drift closer, only to be snatched up by razor-sharp teeth. The ocean has some seriously crafty hunters, and the anglerfish is among its most terrifying. Fast forward to 1936, near South Africa's coast. Imagine the surprise of researchers when they pulled up the Goblin Shark, a creature straight from a nightmare, with an elongated snout and needle-like teeth. This living fossil dates back millions of years, proving that the deep sea preserves both the strange and the ancient. Its sensitive snout is a specialized tool, detecting the faintest hints of prey, hidden in the deep's eternal night. In 2003, scientists ventured into the Tasman Sea and met the infamous blobfish. While it might look funny on land, underwater, it's a marvel of adaptation. At crushing depths of over 4,000 meters, its squishy form withstands pressures that would destroy most life. Here in the deep, looks aren't everything, it's all about survival. The deep sea isn't just about predators, it's home to a dazzling display of bioluminescent beauty. The vampire squid, discovered in the Pacific Ocean in 1903, doesn't drink blood but does sport glowing red eyes and a webbed body reminiscent of a cape. In the black abyss, it uses bioluminescence to navigate and dazzle. It's proof that even in darkness, there can be light. Imagine a fish with a transparent head. First discovered off California's coast in 1939, the barreleye fish is a master of vision with its swiveling, barrel-shaped eyes. Its transparent dome protects these eyes, allowing it to look up and catch faint glimmers of prey above. Nature's ingenuity is on full display here, turning the improbable into a way of life. Deep in the ocean's darkest trenches lives an octopus with flaps that resemble Dumbo's famous ears. These aren't just for show. The Dumbo octopus gracefully swims using these fins, searching for small prey along the ocean floor. It's a reminder that even in the deep sea, some creatures manage to be irresistibly cute. Imagine a creature resembling an enormous pill bug, trudging along at depths reaching several kilometers. This is the giant isopod, a scavenger that feeds on the remains of other deep-sea creatures. With their impressive size and tough exoskeleton, these creatures are perfectly adapted to clean up in the harshest of ocean conditions. Deep in the ocean's twilight zone, the eerie frilled shark roams. Its eel-like body and tricuspid teeth resemble creatures from millions of years ago. Making it a living fossil, this predator has flexible jaws that unhinge to swallow prey whole, a fierce reminder of the ocean's ancient lineage. Hatchetfish, with their flattened bodies, navigate the deep sea in near invisibility. Their reflective scales mimic the faint light from above, an ingenious way to avoid predators. Some even have their own bioluminescent glow, a feature that may attract prey or signal to others. These adaptations prove that life in the deep sea is a constant game of camouflage and survival. Down in the ocean's trenches, where vents spew hot, mineral-rich water, live giant tube worms. They have no mouths or stomachs. Instead, they rely on a partnership with bacteria to convert chemicals from the vents into nutrients. It's a brilliant example of cooperation, showing that even in the most extreme environments, life finds a way. Imagine a fish with a bioluminescent lure that can pulse and flash. The deep-sea dragonfish uses this light to disorient prey before snapping them up with razor-sharp teeth. Its adaptations make it a deadly hunter, proving that even in pitch darkness there's always someone on the hunt. Imagine a creature that can inflate its mouth like a parachute. Meet the gulper eel, a deep-sea marvel with a huge pouch-like mouth that allows it to swallow prey much larger than its slender body. With a tail that glows to attract fish, this eel uses its oversized jaws to trap unsuspecting meals. As a rarely seen resident of the abyss, the gulper eel is as elusive as it is fascinating. Deep-sea zombie worms, or osedacs, feast on the bones of whale carcasses that sink to the ocean floor. These small worms secrete acid to break down bones and extract nutrients. Instead of a traditional mouth or gut, they rely on symbiotic bacteria to digest proteins and lipids from the bone. First discovered in 2002, zombie worms highlight the unexpected ecosystems that thrive around whale falls. Sea cucumbers are found in large numbers across the ocean floor, especially at great depths where few other animals dare to go. They move slowly, eating detritus, plankton, and microscopic organisms that sink to the ocean floor. This seemingly simple organism has a fascinating adaptation when threatened. Some sea cucumbers expel their internal organs to distract predators and escape. They then regenerate these organs over time. Resembling a starfish, brittle stars are members of the echinoderm family and thrive in the deep sea, sometimes found as deep as 6,000 meters. They have a unique, snake-like movement in their arms that lets them scurry along the ocean floor. When threatened, they shed an arm to escape predators. As a result, brittle stars are masters of regeneration. Snailfish thrive in the deep ocean trenches, at depths over 8,000 meters, where they face near freezing temperatures and immense pressure. With a soft, gelatinous body, snailfish are adapted to these extreme conditions. They are equipped with antifreeze proteins in their bodies, preventing ice crystals from forming in their cells, and are known to feed on crustaceans and amphipods that live at similar depths. With its fang-like teeth and slender body, the Pacific viperfish is one of the most fearsome predators in the deep sea. This small fish uses its fang-like teeth to impale prey and is equipped with photophores that light up like tiny beacons, attracting prey close enough to strike. The Pacific viperfish can grow up to a foot long and is found at depths between 200 and 5,000 feet. Although primarily found in shallower reefs, the blue-ring octopus occasionally ventures into deeper waters. Despite its small size, this octopus is one of the most venomous marine animals, capable of delivering a neurotoxic bite that can paralyze its prey or attackers. Its bioluminescent blue rings flash brightly when threatened, a stark warning to any potential predator. The basket star, another echinoderm, has long branching arms that look like a delicate underwater coral. At night, it extends its arms to filter food from the surrounding water. Basket stars are found from shallow waters to depths of 2,000 meters, and their complex, fractal-like arms showcase a beautiful yet mysterious side of deep-sea life. In the dark depths, fang-toothed fish patrol with dagger-like teeth and massive jaws that are perfect for catching prey. Despite its monstrous grin, this fish plays a crucial role in the ocean's ecosystem. It's all part of the fierce fight for survival in the ocean's depths. Meet the sea pig. This pink, tentacle-footed creature is actually a type of sea cucumber, scavenging along the seafloor. Though they might look a bit odd, these little ocean cleaners are well suited to life at extreme depths. Here's something that keeps scientists up at night: we discover new deep-sea species almost every time we look. Just think about that, we're finding new life forms on Earth more often than we're finding them in space. If these creatures have taught us anything, it's that life finds a way to exist in the most extreme conditions imaginable. And maybe, just maybe, that's why we keep exploring, because every time we think we've seen it all, the ocean proves us wrong. If this video blew your mind as much as it did mine, hit that subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which of these creatures would you least want to meet in the dark?